My name is Edgar Baartman, and this is my business partner, Rual. Taai. We are the founders and the directors of ER Spares and Auto. We are situated in Rocklands, next to the post office in Mushweshwe Road, and we expanded our branch. We have a second branch now, which is in Maleleka Street, where the old fish and chips used to be. So I'll give over to my partner and he will explain more about what we do and how we started.
Yes, we started the business off in 2020 when COVID just hit, and we decided to approach NYDA for the 50,000 grant to assist us with stock. We purchased stock and we didn't have enough stock, so we sold some of our cars and our assets to buy more stock, and what they assisted us with really helped us in order for us to grow, and we could have started off the business, and we are really grateful. So we are mostly in the aftermarket automotive parts. We sell every space that your car needs. So to keep your car roadworthy, we are here. We have your suspension parts, which is your ball joints, your rack ends, your tire ends, shocks. We have service kits, your air filters, plugs, everything. Engine, we have oil pumps, we have a large range of parts where what your car can need. So in the summer it's mostly your water pumps, your coolants, and so we have a large range of what we are doing, lubricants and much more. When we started in 2020, we could have just afford one employee. So 4 years after we have been running the business for 4 years, now we're standing on 10 permanent employees, which 80% of them, it's huge.
I would like NYDA to also assist other startups.
We don't have an unemployment issue in this country. We have young people that needs to venture into business so that we can grow the economy, so that we can employ more people. We started off by thanking God that He brought us to 4 years. So we give Him the glory and we give Him the honor. So discipline is the number one key to your success. We are not where we want to be, but we are moving towards it. It took us to have discipline. And the last thing is to have healthy partners in your corner. You don't have to venture into a business where you have a partner that looks for the money part, but a partner that sees the vision. Where are we moving towards? The money will eventually flow after that. So yeah, thank you very much.
Hey, you from Zanzi, rise and shine. Opportunities, yours and mine. No scam, no stress, it's free. The future is